Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a powerful strategy that can truly change your life and your relationships. If you've ever been left by someone you cared about deeply and you want them to recognize your value and come back, this video is for you. Follow these steps consistently for just 4 months, and the people who walked away may end up wanting you back more than ever. Step 1. Focus on self-improvement. The very first and most important step is working on yourself. When someone leaves, it's easy to sink into sadness and self-pity. But the real way to make them regret losing you is to show them what they gave up. Invest in yourself. Pick up a new hobby, go to the gym, read more books, and sharpen your skills. As you improve, their regret grows. Step 2. Build your confidence. Confidence is magnetic. People are naturally drawn to those who are self-assured and know their worth. Use these months to strengthen your confidence. Practice self-love and repeat positive affirmations every day. Remember, if you don't see your own value, no one else will. Confidence isn't arrogance, it's knowing what you deserve and refusing to settle. Step 3. Stay away from social media. Resist the temptation to check their profiles or post things just to get their attention. Instead, disappear for a while. Going off the grid creates mystery and makes them curious about what's happening in your life. It also protects you from comparing yourself to them or feeling discouraged by what you see online. Step 4. Surround yourself with positive influences. Keep people around you who support, uplift, and encourage your growth. Cut ties with toxic relationships that drain your energy. Being surrounded by positivity naturally makes you happier and more attractive. They'll start noticing that you're glowing differently and living well without them. Step 5. Reinvent yourself. Use these 4 months to become someone new. Change your hairstyle, refresh your wardrobe, and build habits that match the person you want to be. When they see the upgraded version of you, it will hit them what they lost. Step 6. Maintain no contact. No contact is a powerful move. No calls, no texts, no liking their posts, nothing at all. This space allows you to heal, reflect, and grow stronger. At the same time, it gives them room to miss you and feel your absence in their life. Step 7. Focus on your future goals. Shift your energy toward your goals and ambitions. Pour your emotions into something productive like your career, studies, or personal projects. When you work towards something meaningful, you naturally become a better version of yourself, and that makes you more attractive and interesting. Conclusion. The real goal isn't just getting them back, it's becoming the best version of yourself. When you prioritize your growth and happiness, you become irresistible. In just 4 months, you can transform yourself in ways you never imagined. And the ones who left you may end up being the ones asking to come back into your life. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Please like, comment and share if you want to keep these videos coming.